Hi friends, this is a microphone that I'm showing you today. This is a great tool, like if you want to record something and you want a very clear voice to be recorded. And as you can see, it comes in a good packing, and this is a PIY painting that make these microphones. The manual is in English and describe everything. This is a USB microphone. So as it is a USB microphone that can be easily, attached to any laptop or any other device that you want to use. This comes with all their accessories, like this is the cable that need to be attached and the USB cable that goes in the laptop. This is the microphone itself. So this is the metal mesh, and this is really a good quality with the volume button. The quality of the microphone you can easily feel. And this is a metal microphone on the top, and then this is the connector side and the volume button. This is the stand that comes to get it attached, and this is the holder for the microphone. So in the stand it actually goes like there's a 3 legs that can easily be make stable, and this is really a good and soft touch and soft use. I like this stand really well. So for using this microphone, it will not directly goes on it. You have to use this stand and the holder for the microphone. So this microphone will actually goes on this side, and this side will goes on the stand. So I will show you. So this is how this stand will go on the top of the stand, and this microphone will come on top of this, and you can adjust the side, and then you can tighten this through the holder. So you have to rotate it on the top of the stand. This may take some time, like a couple of minutes. So once you put all this into this stand, and then you can attach and make it stable with tightening the screw. Now you can see that it is stable and standing well. So now you have to attach this cable to it. So on the bottom there is a cable that you have to see actually the full socket, how it is going to enter. Once it's set into the socket, you have to push it so that it will go inside, and is a click thing inside. So this will put. So once this is attached, you need to use this USB to add into the laptop. I will show you in the laptop like how I attached it. So this is automatically installed on its own, the driver. So when I put it, it asked me for the driver, and then in a couple of minutes it showed me that it is installed. I will show you how this sounds like when I record it through the voice recorder from Windows. So see, it's installed. So once I attach, you can see the volume setup button.
1 2 3 hello.
And I record, you can hear.
Hello.
It's good quality, 1, 2, like 3, clear.
Hello.